Here are over 10 kitchen tools everyone should own. The Innoviva Slushie Maker can make slushies, fraps, cocktails, and other frozen drinks without ice. Its 360-degree mixing blades evenly freeze liquids. And this is a vertical egg roll on a stick maker. They rise automatically after they are cooked. The Presto Stuffler is a stuffed waffle maker that bakes you 2-inch thick, 5-inch waffles in a few minutes. It has a non-stick surface for easy removal. The Chefwave Milkmade is a plant-based nut milk maker that requires no soaking. Simply add your nuts, choose a program, and you will have your nut milk in a few minutes. This rechargeable gadget makes dumplings. It has automatic and manual modes. It seals your dumplings so you don't have to. This waffle maker is for Star Wars fans. It bakes Millennium Falcon waffles. This stuffed pancake maker is for those of you who want to bake thicker pancakes with your favorite fillings. The Better Chef Electric Double Omelet Maker is a nifty kitchen tool that saves you time preparing your breakfast. The Smart Planet Hostess Twinkies Maker has room for 6 Twinkies at a time. I made these cheesy egg Twinkies in it in 10 minutes. The Previous Shaved Ice Maker works on ice and frozen fruits, such as blueberries. It is great for summertime. These steam-powered 𝐏𝐫𝐞𝐫 kettles come to life when you boil water in them. I have seen 6 different styles, but don't have the Christmas version. Don't forget to subscribe and like for more cool kitchen tools.